Hello, Abdallah of Uganda is back here. This is my second video. The first video I was demonstrating to you how you can use a free web hosting service which we called O web host. To find it, you go to Google and then you type in O web host and you'll have it. When you click on it, it will take you through the steps that I demonstrated in my previous video. Now that I don't have a lot of time, this is my second video. We are already at the dashboard. If you watched the first video, you could have known how we got to the dashboard of WordPress. So I would love that you people try out these steps and on your own and see how you progress. Where you're having difficulties, you get back to me and we see what to do. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate to you how to install a theme and a plugin. Okay, when you are reading, we told you to find out what a theme is all about, and I think you did that. I remember we discussed this in class. We also discussed what a plugin is all about and what it does. So we want to practically know how to customize this at a WordPress dashboard. We said that we need many themes, but our major theme that we would like to use is the WooCommerce plugin. Our major plugin that we like to use is WooCommerce plugin. There are many others like Shopify, but our interest is WooCommerce. WooCommerce enables you to easily create, or it gives you functionalities that can enable you to create an online store. So I will straight away, without wasting time, go to plugins. You see that we are already at the dashboard. There are so many things at the dashboard. Japstamp is the name of our website. You remember how we created this in the first video. And then there are many other tools that I might not discuss today because we need to take each aspect at a time. So our major interest is to install a theme and a plugin. So what you do, I'm going to request you to get familiar with the WordPress dashboard, to do whatever that it takes to take a self-study and progress on understanding how to configure a WordPress dashboard. So we are ready there. So you click that plugin, and I told you advertising pop-up messages will keep coming, but be cancelling and removing them because this is a free site. So they keep advertising. So when you click plugin, they are in WordPress. They are already installed the plugins, which are by default, but you may want to remove them. For example, these are all of them. These are all plugins that are already installed. You may want to remove them so that you don't get confused with a lot of plugins. So you come here and say, you select all of them. You first select all of them, and then you see that they are all selected, and then you come here and take an action and say either you deactivate or you delete. But my major concern is going to be to delete. So you delete them. You say apply. You say they will warn you, are you sure you want to delete? You say yes. Okay, and all of them will be deleted at a time. You see they are getting deleted one by one at a time until you are sure you have deleted all of them. Okay, so you keep deleting until you are sure that you have deleted all of them. Now if you're sure that you don't have all of them, then you go to add new. You click here, add new, and they are going to, I say pop-ups keep coming, but you remove them. Add new. For example, if you have a plug-in that you have already downloaded and maybe kept on your computer drive, you can just say upload plugin, and it will take you to where you stored your plugin, and then you upload it here. Unfortunately, we have not downloaded any plugin, so we come here to search, and we search for WooCommerce plugin. So when we search for WooCommerce plugin, they're going to bring a lot of options, but we must know what we want. So you see that there are many other plugins that they bring: WooCommerce blocks, then product quantity, PayPal, WooCommerce product shortcodes, and all that. But our interest is this first one, so which is WooCommerce, which is a flexible open source e-commerce solution built on WordPress. So we install. You click install now, and in most cases it may not install. It is quite normal. It may not install, and there are many reasons that explain that. Either you don't have very good connectivity, or it could be that maybe it is what? It is maybe you don't have a very good internet connectivity, or it could be that it requires that you do a few or two more tries before it installs. We are lucky our owners installed, so you just click on activate. Don't forget to activate, because after installation you do activation. So once it is activated, it brings you this welcome message: welcome to WooCommerce. Get your store up and running more quickly with our new and improved setup experience. So you say yes please, and it will straight away take you into the configuration of your plugin. So there are many things. You have to fill these forms. So they want us to fill where our store is based. So let me just take on our store is based in maybe I can say ICT University is the address. Then I can put here Cameroon is the country, and the city. Okay, we can select it here. Say Cameroon, or C, Cameroon. So Cameroon, Canada, Cameroon. So Cameroon is the country, Yaoundé is the city. That's the postal code, though the postal code can be 0000. So I'm setting up a store for a client. You say yes. It's for a client, and then say continue. Build a better WooCommerce, get improved features and faster fixes, blah 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 blah. Yeah, then you say yes, count me in, and say continue. So it takes you to the industry. Which industry does the store operate? You say maybe you want fashion. I would go in for fashion and say okay. Then you say which type of products will be listed, if they are downloads, physical products, or subscription, membership. All some of these are for payment, but our own are physical products, because I want to sell t-shirts. So you click physical products and say continue. To tell us about your business, we would love to know if you are just getting started or you already have a business place. How many products do you plan to display? I can say 1 to 10 currently selling anywhere. I will say no, and then they bring in, they want us to we can market on Facebook and many others, and give us Google Ads. So we go to, there was an error installing MailChimp for WooCommerce, please try again. Okay, you say continue without installing. So it takes us to a theme. So we can choose a theme that goes with WordPress. So we can take any theme. Since I'm just running short of time, I'll choose any. Let me choose Sharply. So you say continue with this active theme, and so it will be activated. You can enhance your store with this, with that. So you can say no, thank you, because you don't want to configure that at the moment. And then you say who you are almost there based on the information you provided. We provided some initial steps for you to perform. Once complete, your store will be ready to launch. So continue, and therefore they are going to take us through this. We want to set up our store and start selling. So below you'll find a list of the most important steps to get your store up and running. So add your first product. We can add our first product here. We can add manually. Say add manually, and then it's going to take us through adding a product. So you come here and say t-shirt. So you give a description. They are giving you tips. So these are the most fashionable t-shirts. Don't mind me, I'm just writing anything. So you can come here if it's a simple product or if it's a virtual product. Our own will be just a simple product where it's not virtual. Then you come here and give the price. Regular price could be 2,000, and then selling price is 1,500. So you can now put an image. You come here and say product image. You set the product image. You click and select the image. I'm looking for t-shirt, so I can come here and say I'm rushing because time is not on our side. I want to put t-shirt here so that we can have maximum upload is sorry, this file is not permitted for security reasons. Well, let us see if this will go. They are not permitting any. Oh, and I don't have any other images here. Let me come here and see. Let me see this one. Open this and see. Okay, I think we need to work on our images. They are not allowing these images. So what we can do is to publish this. It's very unfortunate that we've not put an image. So you publish, and once you publish, you'll be able to see at least we put one product there. So if you want to add another product, you keep adding, but you can go back to woo-comerce and keep editing it. That was the first product. So you can personalize your store, create a custom home page and put a logo. You can set up shipping, you can set up the tax, and many others. After you are sure on what you have done, you come here and say visit site. When you click visit site, they are going to show you. We still need to customize a lot of things here, but we are supposed to see some of the products that we put here. But since we did not finish installing the products, it is not showing some of the products. This is just a skimper thing. It does not make any sense, but as we learn to customize, we'll be working on this site until we have a proper, well-designed site with a good theme and good products. Next will be, I have to end this video, but when I'm in class, we are going to be practically working on how to customize the dashboard. Thank you so much, the WordPress dashboard. Thank you so much. I think I'll need to do this again practically in class so that we can follow on what to do.